Start. The appellant wife is aggrieved by an order dated 31st May 2018 passed by the learned Principal Judge South Family Courts Saket, Delhi, whereunder an application moved by her under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act in a pending divorce petition filed by the respondent husband under Section 12(1)(c) of the Hindu Marriage Act has been dismissed on the ground that she is in possession of a portion of the house owned by the parents of the respondent for which she was paying rent at the rate rupees 11,000 per month till the parties had got married on 23rd June 2015. Observing that since the appellant wife was working in the past and had the capacity to pay rent of rupees 11,000 per month to the respondent's mother prior to the marriage having taken place, she cannot claim that she is not in a position to maintain herself. MAT 2018, page 2 of 8, notice was issued on the present appeal on 24th August 2018, returnable on 10th October 2018. On 10th October 2018, proxy counsel had appeared for Mr. Lal Singh Thakur, advocate for the respondent, and sought time to place on record some relevant facts. Reply was directed to be filed by the respondent within 4 weeks and the appeal was adjourned to 24th January 2019. The record reveals that no reply has been filed by the respondent. However, learned counsel for the appellant states that he was served with a copy of the reply filed by the respondent in January 2019. On 24th January 2019, proxy counsel appearing for the counsel for the respondent had sought an adjournment and at her request the appeal was adjourned to 25th February 2019. Again, a similar request for adjournment was made on behalf of the respondent on 25th February 2019 and the matter was adjourned to 9th April 2019. Thereafter, the appeal was taken up on 9th April 2019, 21st May 2019, 29th August 2019 and 19th November 2019. On the last two dates, a proxy counsel had appeared for the learned counsel for the respondent and had sought adjournments on the ground that the arguing counsel was unavailable. On 19th November 2019, while accommodating the request for an adjournment made on behalf of the counsel for the respondent, it was made clear that he would not be accommodated on the next date of hearing, that is, today. The matter has been called twice, but none had appeared on behalf of the respondent. In the post-lunch session, Mr. Harish Kumar, advocate, appears and states that Mr. Lal Singh Thakur, advocate, is on his way to Delhi from Aligarh and requests that we await his presence. It is already 2:45 p.m. and there is no sign of learned counsel for the respondent. Though Mr. Harish Kumar, advocate, states that he is a junior associate in MAT 2018, page 3 of 8, the office of Mr. Thakur, he has not come with the grief and on being requested to address us on the merits of the appeal, he states that he is not in a position to do so. We are thus left with a reply to the appeal that the respondent was permitted to file, which is also not on record. Learned counsel for the appellant has handed over a copy of the reply served on him by counsel for the respondent for our perusal.